Today we are going to discuss on anatomy of respiratory system part 1. Committee members for development of e-content are objective of today's topic are to discuss about definition and terms related to respiratory system, to understand about different parts related to respiratory system, to discuss about functions of respiratory system. Introduction of today's topic is definition of respiration is the process by which oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is given out. It is basically classified into two stages, inspiration and expiration. Inspiration, it is breathing in, and expiration is breathing out. We are going to discuss later. Respiration is classified into two types, external respiration and internal respiration. External respiration that involves the exchange of respiratory gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide between lungs and blood. And internal respiration involves the exchange of gases between blood and tissues. So, it is a time of reflection spot. So, do you know about different parts of respiratory system? Pause the video, enlist the name of different parts of respiratory system, play the video. Now, we are going to discuss about parts of respiratory system. Nose. It is the first part of respiratory system and it provides an airway for respiration of gases. Second part, pharynx. It is divided into three parts, nasopharynx, oropharynx and laryngopharynx. Nasopharynx connected with the nose region, oropharynx connected with mouth, and laryngopharynx, it is nothing but the junction of nose and oral pharynx. Third part is larynx. It is also known as voice box, which is useful for the production of sound, helps for the passageway of air and protection of lower respiratory system. The other parts of respiratory system are trachea, which is present in the neck region, bronchi, bronchioles, two lungs present into the chest, and alveoli. These are the different parts of respiratory system. So, the different organs of respiratory systems are nose, having the nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, lungs, and alveoli. In this way, the respiratory system is divided into different organs. So, the functions of respiratory systems are transport of oxygen to tissue and excretion of carbon dioxide, excretion of volatile substances like ammonia, regulation of body temperature with the loss of heat by expelling the air, maintenance of pH of the blood, regulation of water balance with the help of elimination of water vapor through respiratory system. Now, the physiology of respiration. External respiration, which is also known as pulmonary respiration, which is basically takes place into the lungs. So, the exchange of gases, which takes place from alveoli to blood, it is known as external respiration. In this process, blood gains with oxygen and loses the carbon dioxide. Second step, internal respiration, which is also known as tissue respiration, and also it is known as cellular respiration, which is takes place the exchange of the gases between blood and tissue cells. In this process, the blood gains with carbon dioxide and loses. So, in previous slide, we have discussed about whatever the internal respiration and external respiration. So, in case of external respiration, there is an exchange of gases, that is oxygen takes place from alveoli to the blood, and blood exchanges carbon dioxide to the alveoli. Blood transport oxygen to the tissue, it is known as cellular respiration, as well as we can say that tissue respiration, and tissue exchange the carbon dioxide towards the blood. In this way, the external respiration and internal respiration takes place in the body. This is nothing but the physiology of respiration. So, in this today's topic, we have discussed about the different parts of respiratory system, physiology and functions of respiratory system, and also we have discussed about the physiology of respiration. So, from this we conclude the topic. Now, it's the time of quiz. What are the different parts of respiratory system? Think about the different respiratory system. Note down in your notebooks. Check your answers. So, the organs of respiratory systems are nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, lungs, and alveoli. So these are the different parts of respiratory system. So in the today's topic, we have discussed about the anatomy of different respiratory organs, as well as we have also discussed about the physiology of respiratory system. In next lecture, we are going to discuss about the physiology of different parts of respiratory system. Thank you.